Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel if you're a returning subscriber, and welcome if you're new here. My name's Agnater. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a video all about extreme hair growth using aloe vera oil. So currently my hair is really damaged underneath these braids. I recently got my braids done 3 weeks ago, and I took this video so I could document to you guys and show you how damaged my hair currently is. My hair is damaged after I had a protective hairstyle which really damaged all of my edges, so the perimeters of my hair are really damaged and they look horrendous. So I went onto YouTube to try and research ways to grow my hair, and I saw a lot of natural hair YouTubers recommending using aloe vera oil on your hair for extreme hair growth, and a lot of these YouTubers had amazing long hair. So I thought, does it actually work, or are all of these YouTubers just genetically blessed with good hair genes? So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make natural aloe vera oil, and I'm going to be testing it out on my hair for the first time, and I'm going to be documenting my hair growth on my YouTube channel. So if you're excited to see this video and you're excited to see the journey of me documenting whether or not aloe vera oil actually works for extreme hair growth, please make sure to like, subscribe, and let's just jump right into this video. So in order to make the aloe vera hair oil for extreme hair growth, the first thing that you need is a aloe vera, a fresh aloe vera. You can get this at your local supermarket, market stores. I purchased mine at a local market. The second thing that you need is coconut oil, organic fresh coconut oil. And the third thing that you need is pure virgin olive oil. So for the first step of making the aloe vera oil for the extreme hair growth, I started off by cutting the aloe vera into 4 different sections. I made sure that I picked out an aloe vera which was really chunky and juicy, just because I wanted an aloe vera which had a lot of nutrients, and the chunkier the aloe vera, the better that it is to use. For the next step, I then cut the aloe vera into a half, and then I cut the aloe vera into small chunky pieces. This is to make it easier when frying the aloe vera, so it creates a nice liquid oil once the aloe vera is fried. So now moving on to the stove, I like to start off by preheating the stove onto temperature 5. Once the stove has preheated, I add in 3 tablespoons of virgin olive oil into the saucepan. Once the olive oil has heated up, I then add in 1 tablespoon of virgin coconut oil into the saucepan, and I let both oils heat up until the virgin coconut oil has melted into the saucepan. Once the coconut oil and the olive oil have heated up to a nice hot temperature, I then add in the chunks of aloe vera into the saucepan to let them fry and to let the process of creating the aloe vera oil begin. For the next step, I then leave the aloe vera to deep fry in the saucepan and make sure that I keep turning it and mixing it when needed. So whilst the aloe vera was frying in the saucepan, I decided to put the remaining aloe vera leaf in a storage bag and put it in the fridge, just because I didn't use all of the plant when cutting it and frying it, so I could store it in the fridge and use it at a later date when I need some more aloe vera oil. So back to the saucepan. As you can see, the aloe vera has now fried into a crispy brown colour, and it's released all of its liquid and nutrients into the coconut and olive oil, and it's formed its aloe vera oil as well in the mixture. This means that the mixture is now done and the aloe vera oil is now ready within the mixture. So to separate the aloe vera plant from the aloe vera oil, I used a sieve. This just makes it easy clean when separating the two mixtures. So that's the end process of making fresh homemade virgin aloe vera oil for extreme hair growth. To store the aloe vera oil, I used a mason jar that I purchased from Home Bargains. You can purchase mason jars from your local supermarket stores. They're really cheap and affordable, and they're easy to store the oil in. So guys, I've got the aloe vera oil here. Can you guys see that? I only made like a little bit, but this is how it looks currently. It's quite an interesting colour, if I do say so myself. But yeah, I'm excited to try it and to see whether or not it works. Some people also mix it in with Jamaican black castor oil, so I'm also going to do that as well. Just a little bit of Jamaican black castor oil and put it on my hair and give you my first impressions of using this oil. I'm gonna put it on the lid of the mason jar. Ooh. I wouldn't say the smell is my favorite thing on earth. Okay, so I'm gonna take my hair out. The good thing about having braids in is that it's gonna be really easy for me to part my hair and to actually put the hair oil into my hair. So I'm just gonna part my hair and put the aloe vera oil into my hair. So whilst I massage the aloe vera oil into my hair, I thought it would be useful for me to tell you some of the advantages of using aloe vera oil in your hair. Aloe vera oil stimulates the hair follicles in the scalp, which improves the blood circulation. It helps to purify hair follicles, strengthening them, preventing clogging and curing hair loss. It helps to calm aggravated scalp and treats issues such as dandruff. It helps you to get thicker natural hair, solving problems of hair loss, baldness, and it helps to regrow hair loss at bald patch areas. Right guys, so I've just finished putting in all of the aloe vera oil into my hair, and it was actually so moisturizing on my scalp. So I only focused it on my scalp, obviously because I've got braids, so there's no point in putting it onto my braids that much, to be honest. But it is really moisturizing. It feels just as good as normal olive oil, coconut oil. However, the smell is a little bit, it's not my favorite, but yeah, I'm not a big fan of the smell. However, it is very moisturizing. It feels really nice on my scalp, and I'm not really feeling any irritation at all when using it. I'm going to use this oil every day or every other day, especially around the perimeters of my hair, just because that's the areas that we're focusing on. So that's the areas that I'm focusing on to see the growth. So I'm really excited to see whether or not it actually helps and my hair actually grows, and for me to actually document it. So if you're excited to see whether or not this oil works on my hair, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll be doing updated videos to update you guys on whether or not aloe vera oil actually works on my hair. I am hopeful. I have high hopes, considering the fact that a lot of people that I've seen using aloe vera oil on their hair have beautiful long luscious hair, and I want to see whether or not it actually works. But if you're excited to see whether or not it works on my hair, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!